So we're now in Hobby Lobby in my area. This is what you see when I first enter the fabric section. I see 30% signs all over and some threads that are 40% off. These your fit skirts are 40% off as well, and they have a nice supply here. I've been looking for a ruler like this. Ruler is $15.22. More like this one, and this one is $19.99. When do they have the handles to fit the rulers? And you have your dies. Let's check out the patterns. And so they have some pleasant fabric. They only have one pattern. That's one. Let's see what's inside of this. Okay, so the drawers are looking like this. They are tight with a lot of patterns. I'm gonna see if they have a catalog, but it's a publicity. It's really, really full. So these are some of the fabrics I see so far. 30% off by the yard. These are winter fabrics. Let's see what. See what they are, but they're heavy winter type fabrics. This is nice. Tool. Here are some old fabrics, and all fabrics are 30% off. These are cute right here. I might get some of that. And probably this. Oh, this is some linen here. Is this linen also? Yeah. Okay. So this is what I wound up getting. How much did you say it was a yard?
$13.99.
$13.99 a yard, and I got 2.5 yards. So here are your cartons. Pretty. Large variety of everything. And they're all at 30% off. Nice. This is beautiful right here. This would be nice for Project Dress a Girl. They look like gnomes. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. Look at the cat. That's nice. And they are 30% off. And back over there at the wall, you have your fabrics. They're all cottons, and they're 30% off as well.